Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir again with a new tutorial video. And in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can set up custom redirect after WooCommerce checkout. So if you want to track the orders and if you want to track custom conversion for your Google Ads campaign, for your Facebook campaign, or if you have any purpose where you don't want WooCommerce to go to default order confirmation page and you want to redirect it to your custom thank you page once the order is placed, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through how you can place a small piece of code in order to add in the custom redirect after WooCommerce checkout. So if you want to learn, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free and you will learn a lot. So without further ado, let's jump into the screen. So guys, that's a test product where I'll show you guys how you can add custom redirect after checkout. So currently, if I add in the order to my store, it takes you to the WooCommerce default checkout page, default order confirmation page, which looks like this. So that's how the default order confirmation page looks like. Now, what if you want to redirect somewhere else once the order is being placed? Let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to go to my dashboard of the WordPress install and add in the child theme first, because we'll be adding a custom code in order to redirect after checkout. So first I'm going to generate my child theme. And in order to do so, you can simply go to childthemegenerator.com and here you can create your WordPress child theme with just a matter of clicks. Now click on this create a WordPress child theme now. And here you will add name of your parent original theme. So in themes, I have Hello Elementor activated. Click on this theme. That's my theme name. And that is my theme slug, right? Now in free WordPress child theme generator, first it's asking the name. Now I'm just going to copy the name, paste it here. And here I'll add slug of my theme, which is this. Copy, paste. And now I can just name my child theme whatever I want to. Websense Pro Child. And author name, Websense Pro. And just click create your child theme now. And your WordPress child theme is ready to be downloaded. Now click on download your child theme now button. And here you go. As you can see, our Websense Pro child theme has been downloaded, which we just created in a matter of seconds. And now I'm going to upload this child theme. Click on this add new button from themes. Upload theme, choose file. And that's the theme, child theme, which I generated for free. Click on install now. And now you can see that it's mentioning our parent theme. And now just click on activate button. And here we go. Our child theme, which we generated, has been activated. Now we'll add a custom code in order to redirect our checkout page to a custom URL. Click on theme file editor. You will see a screen like this. Go to theme functions. And in theme functions, add in the function which I have ready for you guys. So that's the code. That's the function which we will add in our functions.php file. Don't worry about the code. I'll add the link of the blog post in YouTube video description where you can simply copy and paste this code. Now, as per this code, we were supposed to add an above ending PHP tag. Okay, looks good now. Now, just notice the URL. So currently it's adding the redirect to go to this URL, which is the main website URL. You can add in any custom URL wherever you want to redirect after WooCommerce checkout. Now, after pasting this code above the ending PHP tag, click on update file. And once done, let's test it out our custom redirect after placing the test order. That's my test product. I'm going to add another order to make sure that my redirect is working. So all of this is dummy information. Okay, now click on place order button. And now you can see that it's redirected to our main website after placing the successful order. So if I go to my WooCommerce and then orders, you can see that it placed the order and successfully redirected it to my main website. Again, you can add in any URL, whatever you want to in the code where I mentioned. You'll find the code in a blog post or YouTube video description where you can add in your custom checkout URL, and make sure to do it in child theme, because if you add in this function in your main theme functions.php file, then once the theme is updated, your custom code will be gone. That's why I initially generated the child theme and then added this code in child theme, because no matter your parent theme is updated or not, your child theme code will stay intact. There are other ways to add in the custom redirect after WooCommerce checkout, which can be done via plugin. You can find these plugins in Google easily, but that was the most easiest one which you can do without using any plugin. I hope you guys like the tutorial. Make sure to leave the comment below in order to let me know what more you would like to learn. Until next video, have a great day.